Hello and welcome to Casual Leaves. It's been a really long time. It's been a month. My last video was uploaded I think on 2nd of August and it'll be 2nd September tomorrow. Today is 1st September when I'm shooting this, and I've been away for a month. And not that I've been specifically been busy with something, but it's been a lot of stuff that I have been into. But I kind of got a little burst of plant energy from these stories we were exchanging on Instagram. Me and Drizzle Some Green, we were exchanging some updates, and I thought let me just pick up this energy and make a video. There have been so many pending chores with my plants. I can't even begin to tell you how much I have been ignoring them and consciously ignoring them because my attention is on a lot of other things these days. But I thought I must do some necessary tasks. One task, not even many. But this is my Minahasa, my Anthurium Minahasa. I think actually, it just so happens, by the way, my last video was an unboxing of this very plant. This came from Plant Essentials, and look at this brand new leaf. It gave me 2 leaves actually after that video. So this was a leaf I was about to get. It was like just about to come out, and it has grown so big. And then I'm getting this one now. It's still in the emergent state. And this actually has just been in this cocoa core kind of a packaging, and I didn't do anything after the video. So I'm thinking that I want to put it in PON today very quickly, and it just so happens I have a lot of PON left now, so that's what we're going to be doing. I'm going to use this IKEA container as a reservoir for this very planter, so that's the arrangement we're looking at. So yes, let's get into it. I think I want to title this video that something on the lines of what's been up, what's been going on, why I have been missing and away, and I do not have a single answer for that. It's a lot of stuff, and YouTube takes a lot of effort. Coming in front of the screen takes a lot of effort. Editing takes even more of an effort, and I have just been prioritizing my time differently. And I'm really wanting to downsize my collection and just keep the stuff in my cabinet maybe. I have lots of plants. They are in really bad condition, but they are surviving. Everything is in survival mode. I'm not aiming for them to thrive and do well. I just want them to be pest free, which they are not. Lots of thrips. A lot of plants have gone away, but they're still lying in their spots. I haven't even thrown them away. And that was a video intended to do actually in between me throwing away some plants, which will be maybe one of the next few videos. Let's see. But anyway, we will start with this one. I will remove it from this and we will put this in some semi-hydro. The reason why I want to put this in semi-hydro is for the fact that I won't be able to take care of my plants as much as I would like to, or I would have or used to. And semi-hydro really takes care of things for me. Look at those lovely roots. How amazing. This is what we enjoy plants for. You know, it's coming back to me now. Look at the roots. This is why we do it, right? For amazing updates like this. So I gotta be really gentle. This is purely growing in coir and moss and very little soil inside here, but it's doing so well. I feel that I want to just leave it again, not do anything if it is doing well. But thinking about its future, I think I must give it a proper home while it's doing well. And it's doing well only because of the cabinet, essentially, because it gets so much humidity. I've barely watered this plant. You know, I mean, I have twice in a month since the last time we saw this on the video. I've watered it twice. Gently pulling apart the stuff, because the roots are so nice, and this is a sign of a good quality plant for me, when the roots are so healthy without doing much. Like, I haven't fed this plant anything, I have just watered it twice, it's just been in the cabinet. So yeah, that's a sign of a good DNA of the plant, I would say. There we go, that's a huge chunk out. Even the sphagnum moss quality is so good. I mean, the plant has come from outside of the country, and you can just see those differences, you know. So all the moss is out. This bit is soil. I'm gonna wash this off, and I think the roots are right amount for this kind of a container. So this will go in here. We'll add PON. I'll wash this and bring it back. Okay, I am back, and look at the lovely roots. It was so easy and so quick. The soil also was of such good quality, it just came right off, and I'm just loving the roots. Honestly, this is giving like a really nice fragrance, you know, the plant. I'm just gonna remove this old leaf. By the way, this guy is suffering from thrips. I did see them on it. So yeah, it is in my, like, I have to kind of keep an eye on that front. So I put neem solution whenever I can, Anthuriums. And now we just start with the PON. Very little at the bottom. And then I place the plant, and then I start adding it from the sides. Let me show you guys. Alright, so here it is. Here is the final result. I love the pot, and I love the fact that this guy is hidden down, and it's a little snug for sure for now, but I think it's perfectly fine. We will go and put water in the reservoir and we'll see how it does. These are all the remains which will go into the bin. I've been on like a throwing spree. I don't want to collect stuff. Usually I would keep all these kind of raw materials also, but yeah, this is all mentally right now. I have to still do it. I plan to throw it. A lot of stuff is around me which I mean to throw away, but I haven't, but I'll be doing that soon. And yes, that was it. Thank you for joining me in the repotting of the sky and actually giving it a new journey altogether. I am very sure in a month's time from now we'll have really good updates for this guy. And yes, thank you. Small video, my efforts to come back again here. I hope you watched it till the end, and if you did, please do like the video, please do subscribe to the channel, please do hit the notification bell, because yes, I do intend to make more videos and I'll be seeing you in the next one. And bye.